my friends. We're going to be reading about the book Weird Animals to Shock You. Weird Animals to Shock You. Weird is good. Lots of animals live in this world. Some are weirder than others. This makes them special. The anglerfish has skin that hangs over its mouth. The skin lights up. It attracts prey. The anglerfish gobbles up lured prey. AA. An AA has big eyes and ears. It listens for bugs inside trees. Its long fingers fish food out of tree trunks. Mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp is a good hunter. It punches its prey to catch and eat it. Its punch is fast and strong. The naked mole rat lives underground. It rarely sees the sun. It does not need hair to protect its skin. The proboscis monkey is known for its nose. Males make noise. The nose makes noises louder. Males call to females. The call warns other males. The tarsier can turn its head 180 degrees. It has big eyes. Its long hind legs help it jump far. Saddleback caterpillar. The saddleback caterpillars has horns. The horns have spines. The spines have venom inside. The Mexican axolotl rarely leaves the water. It can regrow lost body parts.